Welcome to Caltech Buddy. Press right and solve faster. Let's go! Calculator Techniques for Evaluation of Functions. Part 1. Tara! First, we define the function. It is a rule that assigns exactly one output to each input. So para mas madaling maintindihan, sipin natin we have a machine. So yung machine natin, andun yung function rule. So mag-i-input tayo ng data, gagamitin yung function rule, and mapoproduce siya ng output. Kailangan isang output lang parate for each input para matawag na function. Okay, this is the parts of a function. So we have f of x equals x squared minus 4x plus 1. So yung f, yan yung name ng function. Yung x, yung nasa inside ng parenthesis, that is our independent variable. So that's the input. F of x is the output. And then yung x squared minus 4x plus 1, yan yung rule inside the function. Okay? Now, para mas ma-appreciate natin, ganito siya gagawin para makapag-evaluate tayo ng functions. So if you have an f of x as an expression yung x, tapos tinanong tayo ng f of a, technically, papalitan natin lahat ng x ng a. So, ganun mag-evaluate. So, if you have f of x equals x squared plus 3x minus 2, lahat ng x dito, palitan natin ng a para ma-evaluate yung f of a. So, it will become a squared plus 3a minus 2. So, yan na yung f of a. Now, mas maganda if we have an actual problem. Let's try this. F of x is equals to 3x squared minus 2x plus 5. Find f of negative 2. So, ibig sabihin nito, lahat ng x in our expression sa right side, papalitan natin ng negative 2 para ma-evaluate yung f of negative 2. So, yung mga x, pinalitan ng negative 2. Then, we will press our calculator. Pag pinindot natin si calculator, lalabas ang f of negative 2 is equals to 21. Now, this is Caltech Buddy. Of course, gagamit tayo ng Caltech. So, gumagana to gamit si Canon F789 SGA version 2. Also applicable din sa version 1. So, mas madali kung ika-Caltech. Kasi, if imamanual natin yung substitution, tama naman yun, kaya lang matagal. So, much better is pindutin natin yung f of x inside the calculator as is. And then, pag napindot na natin yan, instead na mag-manual tayo mag-substitute, pindutin na lang natin yung calc. Pag pinindot natin si calc, magtatanong siya ng value ni x, dun papasok yung independent value na negative 2, yung specific value. Then, isa-substitute ni calc yung negative 2 sa equation natin, and easily makuha na natin yung f of negative 2. So, ang dapat sagot dito, 21. So, let's try. 3 alpha x squared minus 2x plus 5. So, ito yung ating f of x. Calc, magtatanong ng x, we need to follow na negative 2 yung ilalagay, and then press equal sign. So, easily makikita nyo, same result, 21. So, ganun kadali mag-evaluate ng functions gamit si Canon F789 SGA. Okay. Next sample tayo. Now, paano kapag you have two variables involved inside the function? So, we have f of x, y, equivalent sa 3x squared minus 2xy plus y squared. Find f of 2, 5. So, if we will do it manually, papalitan niyo yung x ng 2 and then yung y ng 5. So, pwede naman siya gawin manually. And then, press this sa calculator nyo, lalabas 17. Pero again, that's very prone to error. Mas maganda gamitin yung calculator technique. Gagawin lang natin, indutin yung f of x, y in our calculator correctly, and then press calc. Since dalawang variable yung involved dito, dalawang variable itatanong ni calc. So, pag pinindot si calc, unang itatanong ni si x, we need to follow na dapat 2, and then magtatanong din ng y, 5. And then, evaluate na ito ni calculator, dapat mapalabas natin 17. So, let's try kung gumagana. 3 alpha x squared minus 2x y plus y squared. So, ini-evaluate natin yung functions na ito. So, calc, tatanong ng x, this time it should be positive 2. Magtatanong ng y, lagay natin 5. Then press equal sign. So, in the end, makukuha natin yung same result na 17. So, madali lang talaga mag-evaluate ng functions gamit yung calc method. Okay, next. How about this scenario? So, wag na tayong mag-substitute manually. We press our calc key correctly. So, we press x squared minus y squared all over x minus y. So, we need to press our data correctly and then press calc. Tatanong ng x, in this case, 101. Tatanong ng y, ilagay natin 99. And eventually, evaluate na siya ni calculator. Okay, ang result must be 200. So, madali lang mag-evaluate gamit si calculator. Now, how about this scenario? So, we have f of x equals 2x squared plus x minus 3. Find f of 2 minus f of negative 1. So, kapag ganito, evaluate natin separately yung f of 2 at f of negative 1. Pag nakuha na natin yung result nila, tsaka na lang mag-subtract. Yun yung pinakasimpleng gawin. So, to evaluate, pindutin natin yung original equation. So, you have 2x squared plus x minus 3 calc. Una natin evaluate yung f of 2. So, lagay natin 2 equal sign. So, ang f of 2, ang result niya is 7. Then, calc again. Evaluate natin yung negative 1. So, calc again. This time, palitan yung x ng negative 1. Evaluate ni calc yung f of negative 1. Ang result naman dyan is negative 2. So, ang f of negative 1 is negative 2. Now, since meron na tayong value ng f of 2 at f of negative 1, saka na lang natin i-subtract. So, ang f of 2 is 7 minus ang f of negative 1 is negative 2. And then finally, saka tayo mag-equal sign to get the final answer. So, ang final answer natin should be 9. So, this is the way to calculate or to evaluate functions using Canon F789 SGA version 2. So, kailangan na lang is talagang mag-practice. So, again, this is your Caltech buddy. Calculator techniques for evaluation of functions, part 2. Tara! Sa recap, pag sinabi nating evaluation of functions, meron tayong f of x equals expression in x. And then, pag in-evaluate natin siya sa f of a, ang ibig sabihin nun, lahat ng variable x, papalitan ng a. So, ganun mag-evaluate. So, if you have f of x equals x squared plus 3x minus 2, then, tinanong tayo ng f of a. So, mangyari dyan, yung mga x, palitan ng a. And simplify. So, ang f of a is a squared plus 3a minus 2. Now, for this part 2 of our discussion sa Caltech Buddy, i-level up natin yung mga question. Kasi sa part 1, medyo simplify mga questions doon. Pero dito sa part 2, higher level na tayo. Pero evaluation pa rin ng functions. For example, given that f of x is equal sa x squared minus 2x plus 3, find f of a plus 1. So, same scenario pa rin naman, same procedure. Kaso, yung variable kasi na ilalagay natin, a plus 1. So, yung mga x dito, papalitan natin ng a plus 1. So, this is a plus 1, and then this is a plus 1. So, palitan yung variable x ng a plus 1. So, magiging ganito siya. And then, simplify. So, nilevel up natin yung question. So, pag in-square natin to, I'm hoping marunong tayo mag-squared. So, mangyayari dyan is a squared plus 2a plus 1. Then, distribute natin yung negative 2. So, magiging negative 2a minus 2. Then, plus 3. Simplify natin. You have positive 2a and negative 2a. Mag-cancel daw yan. And then you have 1 minus 2 plus 3. Simplify nyo pa yun further. So in the end, magiging a squared plus 2. So ito na yung final answer natin. A squared plus 2. Now, ang ginawa natin, manual solution. Kaya lang, medyo mahirap yan sa mga hindi nagpa-practice or talagang hindi alam mag-evaluate ng functions. So dito papasok si Caltech Buddy. Turuan ko kayo paano mag-evaluate ng functions kung ganito yung scenario. Okay. Magkano yung Caltech natin? Simply because meron tayong choices. So kung pinaghahandaan natin board exam, lagi yan may choices, so mapapagana natin yung Caltech. Kung college exam naman yan at walang choices, gamitin nyo na lang yung Caltech pang checking. Para at least, malaman nyo kung tama yung final answer nyo. So okay pa din kahit college exam, pan-checking na nga lang. So ang gagawin lang natin, ang general logic ng Caltech natin is that yung f of x, tsaka yung choices, i-divide. Kapag nag-calc tayo at nag-equal sa 1 sila, ibig sabihin tama. So dapat naman talaga equal yung f of x dun sa correct answer. So pag ni-ratio mo sila, dapat equal sa 1. Kaya na, wala tayong value for a. So ang gagawin mo dito, mag-assume ka ng value. Any value is okay, or as long na hindi magmamat error. Okay, so any value is okay. For example, I'm assuming a to be equal sa 1. So mangyayari, a plus 1 will become 1 plus 1. So in the end, yung x natin magiging 2. So ito yung ating mga data na dapat pinansin. So yung a is 1, x is 2. At tatawin natin, ita-trial and error natin yan from the choices. So yung f of x, i-divide natin ng choices. For example, na-try ko na yung d, c, tsaka d. Hindi naman sila nag-equal sa 1. So, try natin yung a. So, let's assume na try natin yung a. So, sa numerator, lagay natin yung x squared minus 2x plus 3. Sa denominator, yung choices. For example, in-evaluate ko yung letter a squared plus 2. Ika-cut ko yan, at para masabi kong tama, kailangan mag-1. Okay? So, try natin. X squared minus 2x plus 3. So this is the original function. Sa baba is the choices. Alpha a squared plus 2. So I am evaluating letter A. Press calc. Magtatanong siya ng x. So you need to follow your conditions. So in this case 2. Magtatanong siya ng A. Ang condition natin is 1. And evaluate the result. Makikita nyo ang resulta is equal sa 1. Kasi nga, yung trinay natin is the correct answer. Kung ibang nilagay natin dyan, hindi magwa 1. For example, yung D. Yari lang, yun ang trinatry natin, a squared plus 1. Calc. Tatanong ng x2. Tatanong ng a1. Pagka-equal sa inyo, hindi siya nag-1 kasi nga, mali yung letter B. So, only the correct answer yung magbibigay ng ratio na 1. So, ganun ka-simple yung ating Caltech. Practicein na lang natin. Okay, isa pa. We have this scenario. So, f of x is equivalent sa x squared plus 2xy minus y squared. Find f, a plus b, comma, a minus b. So, dalawa yung independent data natin dito kasi you have two variables. So, if you will do it manually, yung x, papalitan niyo ng a plus b. Yung y, papalitan niyo ng a minus b. So, ganun yung mangyayari dyan. So, yung x, a plus b. Yung y, a minus b. And then, isi-simplify niyo pa yan, which is very difficult. Okay, very difficult sa iba at prone to error. So, hindi na natin gagawin mag-simplify kasi nga mahirap. Gamitan natin ang Caltech. So, again, sa Caltech natin, gumagana siya for as long na may choices. Original function, divide ng choices. Calc at kailangan mag-equal sa 1. Wala tayong value for A and B, so again, sa atin manggaling yon, basta hindi lang mag-e-error. For example, I'm assuming A to be 2, while B is equal sa 1. So, evaluate natin si X. Si X is A plus B. So, 2 plus 1. So, lalabas si X must be 3. Si Y is A minus B. So, magiging 2 minus 1. So, lalabas naman sa y na 1. So, these are the values. So, magta-trial and error lang talaga tayo. Assuming na trinay natin yung A, C, tsaka D. Kaya ginawa natin yun at hindi nag-1. So, i-cross out na sila. Try natin yung letter B. So, pikatin muna natin yung original function. X squared plus 2xy minus y squared over sa mga choices. So, this time we're evaluating letter B. 2a squared plus 4ab minus 2b squared. Okay. Press cut. So, you need to use your data correctly kung ano man yung nilagay mo sa condition mo. So, magiging x is 3, y is 1, h must be 2, and d must be 1. And see the result. So, you will see na mag-1 yan kasi yung in-evaluate natin is the correct answer. So, again, this is difficult kapag ima-manual natin. Pero using the calculator technique na tinuro ni Caltech Buddy, kaya naman. Kakayanin naman. So, kailangan na lang talaga mag-practice. Okay, so I'm hoping may natutunan tayo today sa ating discussion. Mag-practice para magamit yung calculator techniques na tinuro ni Caltech Buddy. Okay, thank you. If you have any questions or clarifications on anything we discussed, feel free to leave a comment and we'll be happy to respond. To God be the glory. This is your Caltech Buddy, Math made easy with shortcuts, tips, and calculator techniques. Bye!